Hello, and welcome to The Savvy Miner. You can check out all our tutorial videos at thesavvyminer.com. This is a short tutorial video on how to disable the Windows 10 password requirement at login. To do this, just go down to the search box and type in NETPLWIZ, and then go up and select Run Command. This will bring up a window for your user account, and you'll see a little checkbox that says user must enter a username and password to use this computer. You're just going to uncheck that box and hit apply. Once you've done that, it's going to ask you for your current password. You have to enter that twice. The reason we're going to do this is because when your machine restarts because of a power failure or something crashes, you don't want it to hang at the login screen waiting for you to come home and type in your password. You want it to just log itself in and launch your miner straight from its startup menu. And so we're going to say OK to this. I will show you a trick to enable some security back onto your machine. You're going to go into Settings next. And from there, you're going to go to your Accounts page. And go to Sign-in Options. And you're going to tell it to require sign-in when the PC wakes up from sleep. Now, your PC is never actually going to go to sleep, so we're going to turn that off. But when your screen goes silent and when your screen wakes up, it's going to actually ask you for the password. So leave that set to when PC wakes from sleep. Then go back into your settings and go into the system settings, and you're going to select power and sleep options. And you want your computer never to sleep, but you want to set the screen to turn off after a certain amount of time. Once you've done that, you're going to go into the personalization settings. Select that. And then you're going to select the lock screen option. And then scroll all the way down to the bottom and select Screensaver Settings. And you can select a screensaver if you like, or just leave it to none. Doesn't matter. You can set however long you want the screen to be awake. But the important box you want to check is this next box, which says on resume, display logon screen. And go ahead and apply that and say OK. And so now your computer will boot up after a power failure or restart. It'll immediately log in, and then after the specified amount of time, it'll go into the screensaver mode and lock the screen. You have to type the password to access the computer after that. We hope you enjoyed this video. Please check out some of our other tutorial videos at thesavvyminer.com. And if you found our site particularly helpful, don't hesitate to hit that tip jar on thesavvyminer.com to throw some crypto coin our way to promote future tutorials and videos. Happy mining!